Hi, I'm Ronald with Impress Computers, and today we've got Damon O'Connell from Flashback Data, and we're going to be talking about data recovery and the process. If you happen to be in the Houston or Katy area, or anywhere on the west side of Houston, you can actually bring your hard drive into us. If you've had a hard drive failure, we'll check it out, and we can actually expedite the whole process, send it to Flashback Data if it needs to go off, and there's no charge to the customer at that point. We handle the whole thing for you. And Damon, would you like to explain who Flashback Data are and how the process is going to work?
Sure. So we're a Tier 1 data recovery company, meaning we handle all levels of recovery, logical and physical. And we do have a no data, no fee policy. So if we are not able to recover the data, we do not charge. And typical process, how it works, is you would send in the actual device, and that would include a hard drive, a solid state drive, a cell phone, depending whatever digital media. And we would first evaluate it within the 24 hours, and then after 24 hours, we will tell you what's wrong with the device, as well as what the cost is for the recovery. And then from there, the customer can decide if they would like to proceed with the recovery or decline. If they proceed, then we will attempt the recovery, and when we're successful, we'll provide them a file listing for them to review to ensure all their data is there. If their data is not there, then we don't charge. However, it is important for the customer to determine what is most important. Of course, we're going to try to recover all the data off the device, but in a lot of circumstances, it's a burning building, and we want to first go in what's most important and then work backwards.
So if it's QuickBooks is the most important thing, or PST files, or sometimes it's documents or videos, let us know. Just drop your hard drive off at Impress Computers. Tell us what type of files you're needing to recover. We'll ship it, no charge to you, to Flashback Data and set it up. Pretty painless, pretty seamless, and we've been working with Flashback Data for 10 years, and the recovery rate has been pretty good. So it's a great partnership, and we'd like to thank you for working with us for all these years.
Well, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks, Damon.